A large plot in the countryside of São Paulo, defined by the presence of mature, sculptural trees that form a forest at the heart of this 14,000 square meter site in Fazenda Boa Vista. This landscape, with its subtle yet impactful slope, is the starting point for the forest house, designed by FGMF Architecture. The house gently unfolds across the land in different pavilions, embraced by the vegetation that intertwines with the built spaces. Various paths and perspectives are created through straight lines that map the space and form a vast park filled with artworks. In addition to the main house, the studio, library, spa, orchid greenhouse, and gym are located in separate yet interconnected pavilions arranged around the forest. The house is organized to make use of the slope, which is subtle, delicate, and proportional, but that altogether becomes strikingly evident. As we walk along the incline, these lines transform into stone walls, structures that emphasize the topography, support the pavilions, and extend into the interiors as part of the landscape design, guiding our perception through planes of exposed concrete that complete the architectural movement. There is a constant relationship between the indoor and outdoor spaces, reminiscent of art galleries, with reflecting pools and sculptures that highlight the residents' appreciation for Brazilian art. In this house, we find three distinct materials: wood, concrete, and stone, delicately juxtaposed, with gentle gaps between them that invite the eye and footsteps to pass through, revealing visual and tactile layers. Above, a large orthogonal volume rests upon the main block. This is the bedroom level, designed in cantilever and in direct dialogue with the sculpted geometry of the stone walls. Its expressive projection over the central courtyard enhances the contemplative atmosphere. Each interior space opens fluidly to the outside. Courtyards of various sizes emerge between the blocks, illuminated by large sculptures that engage with the design. Circulation flows through bright spaces that open to the exterior, organically integrating landscape and architecture. Walking through the forest house is to understand how architecture can emerge from a dialogue with its surroundings, where the gentle topography, the forest, and the slope become protagonists, and the construction takes shape in an immersive, subtle, and respectful way with the nature that embraces it.